All that screaming? Girl, I need to work out because your girl. Woo! Alright, y'all, but listen. So, literally, y'all, I am so excited to finally try this watercolor dye. So, it's about to be lit, y'all. It's about to be lit. Like, this is my first time. I've been watching videos on it and stuff, but whew, I really need to work out. Like, it's crazy. Like, for me to be so small, it's like, okay. But I just made this wig, 24 inches, bitch. What? Okay, 24 inches. Like, let me see if we can go with my pointer. You know, I got a frontal. This is another wig I made. I got it on. Look, bam, shorty leg. Hey, all right. All right, but look. So we're gonna do this watercolor dye today. We're going to do the popular green, you know, that everyone's doing. I just want to see how it turns out and stuff like that, and then I'll go proceed to different colors. Okay. Now I'm gonna try this wig on. Isn't that amazing? Like, you know when a wig is perfect when it can fit over top of another wig. Like, it's lit. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, I hope it turns out right, because if it don't, I'm gonna be mad. I might cry, probably shed a tear too, but we're gonna just keep trying until it works. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do the green, and let's get started. I'm gonna probably position it a different type of way, and yeah, like, it's lit. It's lit. It's lit. All right, so let's get into the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Oh, all right, so subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more colors, then you know what to do. Put it in the comments. Hey, put it in the comments. Hey, put it in the comments. All right? And don't forget to what? Tell a friend. To tell a friend. To tell a friend. Ah! Okay, so I know it's probably loud. I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna go all the way over here. But so yeah, so that's really loud. I really hope y'all can hear me. But all I'm doing right now is filling the container up with hot water. It's not going to be boiling water. It's going to just be like real hot water with the you know, from the faucet. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see that. I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Like, it's so much easier. So yeah, we're gonna fill this baby. Probably like to maybe here. So we got some time. And I will be using the Tintation by Kiss. And yeah, so let's get her done. All right, be back. I honestly didn't realize this container was so freaking huge. Like, I'm gonna be like this trying to dip the freaking stuff in, like, really. All right, so oh my gosh, like, you only see, that's weird. I have to get taller. So I'm putting on my gloves. It's so freaking small. Bam. One on. Now I don't want the water to get cold, so I'm gonna kind of hurry up and like not do too much. You know how I am. All right, and this is how much water I have. All right, I'm just leave it right there for a hot second. Now I'm taking the Kiss color Limelight. I'm just gonna pour in probably like half the bottle or a whole bottle. I'll do. Okay, it's kind of weird because you like, are you talking or is the box talking? Like, sorry, girl. I'm gonna do half of this and then I'm gonna stare it. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, Kiss. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do half of this. I'm gonna stare it and then we're gonna zip that baby in. I hope it catches or I'm gonna be so mad. All right, so the reason this is so freaking big Whoa. Ah. I'm gonna just do the whole thing. Since it's so big, I'm gonna just stir it up so the water can change. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Oh, it smells really, really good. Okay, y'all have to see me. I'm gonna move this. Let me see if I can put this somewhere on this side, maybe. And kind of zoom in a little. Yeah, I think that's better than being so freaking close up. Like, I'm so excited. So we're just gonna stir it up all the way until it's like, oh my gosh. I really, really, really hope this works. Y'all, I'm so scared. Like, if it don't work, that's like so embarrassing, you know? Alright, so now that it's properly stirred, I am going to dip it. Now, since this is a frontal, I don't think the lace will die. So, let's hope. But I'm gonna definitely bring this closer though, just so y'all can see it up close. Yeah, I don't think the lace is gonna die, so I think we're good on that part. Okay. If this don't die, I'm gonna be really mad. Alright, so we're just gonna shove it all in. I guess this is what people do, just shove it all in. Oh, come on, please come out right, please. I beg of you. Okay, so I guess you just let it sit. I don't know. Man, I don't know. I hope this dies. Like, it looks really cool when people do it, so like, I really hope it works for me, you know? Like, first time trying it and it doesn't work, wow. That's some shit, huh? That's like really messed up, right? On my end. What do y'all think? Do y'all think it's gonna work? Comment down below if you think it's gonna work before you see the rest of it. Or maybe I probably have to add some more dye. I really don't know. Okay. I saw a little sneak peek. Oh. Let me not get too happy because some of it isn't dying. Oh my gosh! I think I should definitely add some more. Okay, I'm gonna take it out just so y'all can see what it's looking like. I'm so excited, y'all. Woo! Some of it died, like, some of it definitely caught. You wanna see it? This is so cute! Oh my gosh! Woo-wee! Yeah. I'm gonna definitely add some more dye though. So we're gonna use this whole other bottle. So in total we used 2 so far. This is all I have, so hopefully it works. This is like the best idea anyone has. Do you know how long it takes me to dye freaking hair? Like, I hate dyeing hair. Like, ask anyone that knows me. I hate dyeing hair. I love doing hair, but I hate dyeing. I just feel like it's, especially when you have to bleach it. Like, I just feel like it's just so much work, you know? Like, it's just too much. But this right here, I just feel like whoever thought of this idea, man, they should be making that paper. Because if I would have thought about this, I'd be rich. Oh my God! Like, I love it. Some parts need to dye, like, need to color more. Is not catching. I don't know what is going on. I probably didn't even have to use this much water. That's probably why it's not stretching that much. Because it's so diluted, you know, the water is so much. It's like so super diluted. So, dang. I wish I would have known that before I did it. It caught really well. I don't need to add any more. Like, even though it's like light right here, I'm kind of feeling it. Like, it's like a two-tone and the ends are like super green. Like, I'm feeling it like a lot. I love it. Like, this color is everything. Now I see why everybody was on it like super hard. So the color didn't even come off after like I'm gonna just shampoo it and condition. Just something quick. Now, I absolutely love styling hair. What do y'all think I should do? Should I curl it, give it some nice curls? Or should I like flat, you know, bone straight it? Or, well, that's the only two options. I do wild colors, but baby, I never would have thought like of me even trying this. Like, you know, if I wear this, your girl gonna be bomb. Shoot. Now, if this don't sell, that's really, I'm not even gonna trip. Like, I'm gonna put this on my own head. And I'm gonna finesse it. Like, I'm gonna throw some conditioner on it. And then we're about to style this baby. I think I'll probably curl her, because you know curls give it that extra bomber look. Like, it makes it look so much 10 times better. So I think I'm gonna curl it. Like a wavy beach wave type of look. Woo! My arm hurt. So I will be back to show y'all the next look.